It's 414. Let's go in. Wow. Okay, so the first thing is the toilet. Let's go to the toilet. Yeah, and so they have the toilet bowl and the tissue, and then the shower area. They also have the shampoo and bathroom foam. This one, and this is the basin here. Hi, and the mirror. They have the glasses and the soap. They also have the towels here and some shower cap, toothbrush, razor kits. Yeah. And okay, let's go to the cabinet. They have the cabinet here. So let's open it. So malaki yung cabinet. The cabinet is so big and they have lots of hangers in here. Okay. And you can put your shoes under. Okay, let's close it. And also they have this open cupboard here and a small fridge. So I put there's Coca-Cola and water. This is mine. I put it here. Okay, so let's go here. So they have the TV and you can put the hanger here for the umbrella or raincoats or jackets. They have the fan and then the trash bin, and they have free water, tea, but there's no coffee guys, only tea, and then heater. Yeah, and they have a mirror also here and a chair, and the bed is so big, and I'm alone. This is solo trip. I chose this one because there's a view. Look at that. That's the view over there. So let's go. So I'm gonna open it with myself. I just put it here. Wow. Balcony here, so I can drink coffee in the morning. Oh, it's so nice. It's refreshing. So let me show you. Okay, let's go over there. Ooh, baby, we don't know what can work. It's gonna be. This is Sapa. Woo. Ang ganda.
Sana all.